This is the Warrior drop deck scissor lift trailer. It comes in two sizes, 5x10 and 6x12. It has our coil over spring suspension system, which gives it the smoothest ride available on the market. It also gives each side the ability to independently suspend. This trailer has the ability to go completely flat to the ground, and it is a true 5 foot in between the fenders and a true 10 foot long, or 6 foot on the 6 foot version and 12 foot on the 12 foot version. So this trailer has a gross vehicle weight capacity of 4,600 pounds, which gives it an approximate payload capacity. So this trailer has a GVRW of 4,600 pounds with a estimated payload, depending on the size of the trailer, of 3,100 pounds. This trailer is perfect for loading scissor lifts as it has a 0-degree loading angle, making it easy to get any low profile equipment on and off the deck very quickly. So this trailer is power up, gravity down, and every single one of them comes with a wireless remote. So the trailer does weigh enough to lower itself completely to the ground flat without any kind of assistance. It will lower the front first just because of the weight distribution. All right, and as easy as it is just driving it on there, having the wireless remote makes it just as easy to go up and down. From sitting in the cab, it can easily lift up the scissor lift, strap it down, and on your way.